Linkvertise review. Maybe you're asking yourself, can you make money by sharing links on this kind of platform? Okay, so in this video, guys, I'm going to give you my honest review about this platform. I've been advertising this kind of website, guys, okay, for years. Okay, I know the legit and also the scam one. Okay, but first of all, if you want my number one recommendation to make money online, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. I will send it to you into your email inbox. Now let's talk about Linkvertise. Okay, so this platform, they claim that you can make money by shorting links, and then you can share them, or whenever someone clicks on your link, you're gonna make money. That's what they claim. Okay, so for me, this kind of strategy that this website is using is kind of scammy, you know, because if they say that you you shorten your links here on this website, okay, there are some alternatives. There's some of the legit website that you can use, such as Bitly or link shortener. But here, how does it is that they say that, okay, look at this one. They say that you can earn $70 with 1,000 views. That's a scam. That's a totally scam, guys. Do not fall on this kind of website, because you're not gonna make any money here. So you're gonna be upset your visitors. You're gonna make angry visitors that they will never click on your links, because what happens is that, let's say that you shorten your links here, is that what's gonna happen is that people, if they say that you want to shorten, let's say google.com, okay, and it's gonna shorten that google.com, but when visitors click on a link, they will not gonna go to the website that you want them to do. This website is gonna advertise them some banner ads after banner ads after banner ads. That's how they make money. You know, and then you're gonna make any money, guys. This is a scam. I don't recommend that you use this kind of website if you want to make money online. I'm gonna show you, let me show you some of the fake customer reviews. Sebastian, look at this. Look at this. I've been using Linkvertise to monetize downloads in my video descriptions. The results are great. I come to $97 per 1,000 views. Very good, guys. I like the passive income. That's a fake review. Eric, I've been using Linkvertise for a long time to make money with my links posted on forums or blogs. It is really good service, and above all, better to use the conventional website. That's a scam, man. That's a scam. That's a scam. This does not work. It does not work. I don't recommend for you guys, okay, to waste your time here on also to create your account here on this kind of website, guys, okay. But if you want to make money online, okay, I remember, guys, I've been failing for 4 years online. I did try some of these sketchy websites, some of these scammy websites that they promise you can make money online, such as sharing links. I've been there. I tried this kind of website, guys. I didn't make any money online. I tried surveys. I tried watching videos. I didn't make any money, guys. Okay, it's not worth your time, guys. I've been there. I don't want you to go to the same road that I went through, to the pain, the frustration of not making money, guys. Okay, until I found the right mentor, guys, with high ticket affiliate marketing, you can make over $1,000 per sale, guys. Okay, with high ticket affiliate marketing. If you want my number one recommendation to make money online, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. I will send it into your email inbox. A course is going to teach you how to make money online and also how to start an online business. Maybe you can could replace your 9-to-5 job, guys. Okay, the best way to make money online, not of this website to waste your time, guys. If you have any questions, please leave your comment down below in the comment section. I'm gonna get back to you as soon as possible. Good luck and may God bless you. Take care. Sharp.